what a van this is. So desirable. This will go live on our website, and we say it all the time. They just go. They don't crop up all the time. Ford Transit Custom, MSRT, Auto, Diesel, in this performance blue, which is a great colour. But look at that van. How well does it look? You know, OZ racing wheels, carbon bonnet protector, full MSRT kit. It just looks unbelievable, and it's a stunning car. It's got some unbelievable extras as well. It's got an alarm system which is £2,000, so it's a Clifford alarm. You just cannot break into this car. The system is unbelievable. With it being an MSRT and the M Sport, you've got these big extended arches which run then all the way down. You've got the skirts all the way along the side. I mentioned them racing wheels. And then at the back, you've got that big bumper with that big exhaust system, the big rear diffuser. It just looks outstanding. And actually, I'm going to show you, it's even had money spent on the rear. It's all been, look at this inside. It's all been done inside. It's got lights built in. That's all extra on top of what you'd normally get on an MSRT. Look at it, it's immaculate, isn't it? It's superb and just makes it look crisp and fresh. Now, again, let's move on inside. The big thing, because a lot of people buy these vans and they'll spend money on them, they'll put a set of wheels on, they'll put a bit of body kit on, and they'll stick an MSRT badge on. There you go. So there you go. That's the plaque, number 1020, M Sport Limited Edition MSRT. You've then got your full performance leather with a blue, and then you can see there in the seat. But the big one is the back seats have been done as well, because this has to be paid for extra. So it's got the 5 seats all done. The back seats are like they've never ever been sat in. So you've got 5 seats, all with the performance leather. And then when we get in, there's a few other great features with this car. Obviously, I love the dials. You've got them performance MSRT dials. Car's covered, or the van's covered, if you like, 29,000 miles. Automatic gearbox, which is a big one. Car drives fantastically well with that. 180 brake horsepower. You've got an extra camera there as well. You've then got everything else you'd want. You've got your navigation, you've got your Bluetooth, you've got your DAB radio, multifunctional steering wheel, cruise control, just everything that you'd want for a great looking van. All the extras, and they're desirable. So value wise, people ask, we've got this van up for 32,990. People are advertising them for 30, 38, 40, 35. We've priced it to sell it quickly. Also, one other thing as well, obviously it's heated, so if you just come around here, just show you this, Tom. If you go under here, you've got your heated seat button there. And then also, this has been added. It's got the sockets, so you can, a charging point's been added in there, so that even charges laptops. It's a top system which has been added. So you've got the alarm, the 2 keys, the great looking van, no VAT, a lot of these are plus VAT as well, in great condition. And at the moment, commercial vehicles, van prices are just stagnant. Vans aren't dropping, and people are telling me all the time, but when you've got something like this, which is a one-off, now you can see them running lights, it's desirable, it's going to hold its money, and it looks fantastic. It's hitting the website now, 32,990. Call us direct, get it secured, because that's a cracker.